As the cold air really gets going and kind of digs its heels in over the next several days, look at these afternoon highs, which only make it into the teens and starting off Wednesday morning with single-digit and below zero temperatures up in Sussex County. It's the very cold air that lingers in through the next several days as all of this Arctic air is actually preventing any additional snow to fall. And I'll show you what I mean coming up. It actually keeps our skies clear through each afternoon, so that sunshine doing a good job to melt any accumulation, but then it refreezes at night. So you'll see a lot of black ice over the coming days, as has been the case with some big icicles developing on everybody's car tops, especially those parked outside. Notice with the highs going through tomorrow, temperatures barely leave the 20s. We're pretty much stuck in the teens all day, but we actually make it to the 30s as soon as Thursday, even down toward the shore points, just at the freezing mark. Same goes for Friday. So we slowly climb back to normal, even though we don't make it there until this weekend. The big picture is the wind chill, and this is really what hurts, especially each morning. Starting off tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., there's your minus 13 in Sussex, minus 12 feels like temperature in Morristown, and only 5 in Long Branch. But even in places that you wouldn't expect to have below zero wind chills like Newark, you are at minus 4. It stays with us throughout each morning. We do it again on Thursday with those minus wind chills again, negative wind chills up in Morris and Sussex County, and then even through Friday, start off again just below the freezing mark and well below zero. There you go, 2 and 1 down in Medford and even over in places like Millville. So the cold weather remains. It eventually warms back into the weekend, but not before the damage is done. We're talking actual air temperatures down in the single digits. With the wind that comes in for the rest of the week, it stays cold, but there is some relief by this weekend. It won't be as cold, and we'll actually get back above the freezing mark in almost a week by this Saturday. Does that mean a change in the pattern, and could that mean more snow by next week? We'll talk about that coming up with the 7-day forecast.